In the next topic, functional group. Its definition is an atom or group of atoms which decides the property of carbon compounds is called a functional group. Highlights, in which the first is halide. It is also called a halo group. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Names end with N. Examples: CH3Cl, chloromethane, its simple name methyl chloride. C2H5Br, bromoethane, ethyl bromide. Next, alcohol. Alcohol containing hydroxyl group that is OH, in which OL added in the IUPAC naming. For example, CH3OH, methanol. Its simple name is methyl alcohol, and C2H5's ethanol simple name is ethyl alcohol. Aldehyde containing CHO functional group, in which the valence of carbon atom is one satisfied by the hydrogen atom or carbon atom, another hydrogen atom, and another two valence of carbon satisfied by the double bonded of oxygen. In IUPAC naming, added Al at the end. For example, HCHO, methanol. Simple name formaldehyde. CH3CHO, ethanol, and its simple name is acetaldehyde. Carboxylic acid containing single bond C double OH CHO group, in which carbon one valence is satisfied by the carbon atom or hydrogen atom, another by single bond OH, another by double bonded oxygen. In IUPAC naming, added oic acid at the end. For example, HCHO, methanoic acid. Its simple name formic acid. It is very poisonous. सर्प या बिच्छू जब डंक मारती है तो फार्मिक एसिड की वजह से जो हम लोगों को शरीर में पेन होता है वह किसकी वजह से होता है? फार्मिक एसिड की वजह से. एथेनोइक एसिड, that is CH3COOH. It is also called as silica ketone. The functional group is CO. In IUPAC naming, added on at the end. For example, CH3CO, CH3 propanone, CH3CO, C2H5 butanone, CH3C double, CH3CO, CH3 is called acetone. Homologous series is a group of carbon compounds having similar structures, similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by a single bond CH2 group. For example, alkane, alkenes, and alkynes. First of all, I am going to discuss about alkenes. Have a general formula CnH2n plus 2. Their names end with N and the member are as follow: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Methane is the first member of alkane family. When we put n is equal to 1 in the formula CnH2n plus 2, then we find the first member of alkane. Similarly, when we put n is equal to 2, then we find the next member. The structure of methane, in which the valency of carbon atom is satisfied by the hydrogen atom. In ethane molecules, one carbon-carbon single bonds occur and all the other valency is satisfied by the hydrogen atom. Similarly, in a propane molecules, two carbon-carbon single bond occurs and remaining bonds are a single bond with hydrogen. Alkenes. Alkenes have a general formula CnH2n. Their names end with "in" and the members are as follow. In the general formula of alkenes, when we put n is equal to 2, then we find the first member of alkenes is ethene, whose formula is C2H4. In alkene molecules, minimum one double bond occur between carbon and carbon atom, and the structure of ethene, in which the one carbon-carbon double bond occurs. In propane molecules, also one carbon-carbon double bond occur, but it also containing one carbon-carbon single bond. While in butene molecules, it containing one carbon-carbon double bond and two carbon-carbon single bonds. Alkynes have a general formula CnH2n minus 2. Their names end with "ine" and the members are as follow. In the general formula of alkyne, when we put n is equal to 2, then we find the first member of alkyne, which is ethyne. It is also called as acetylene. Propyne, butane is the member of alkyne. In acetylene or ethyne molecule, one triple bond occurs between carbon and carbon atom, while in a propane it have also triple bond between carbon and carbon atom, but it also containing single bond between carbon and carbon atom. In a butane molecules, one triple bonds occur and two carbon single bonds occur. Next, chemical properties of carbon compounds. First, combustion. Carbon compounds burn in oxygen to form water. Carbon dioxide, heat and light. For example, carbon when react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and also produce some amount of heat as well as light. When alkane molecules or its derivative reacts with oxygen, then it produces carbon dioxide, water and heat and light. Next, oxidation. Carbon compounds like alcohol are oxidized to carboxylic acids on heating with oxidizing agent like alkali potassium permanganate, which is KMnO4, or acidic potassium dichromate, which is K2Cr2O7. Its mean we can also say when alcohol molecules undergoes oxidation in presence of K2Cr2O7 or KMnO4, then the formation of carboxylic acid takes place. First of all, the oxidation reactions occurs. Ethanol converted into aldehyde, then it converted into ethanoic acid.